Hello lovers, are you ready for some unboxing? Okay, I got this a couple days ago and I didn't have a chance to do a video, so I tore into it a little bit already. So this is my monthly, they're calling it Subscribe to Save now, still the loyalty rewards program, and this is my order. So first of all, happy full moon in Pisces. We just finished the moon ceremony. So if you're interested in that, the link is in my bio to get the recording. It's only $11. Amazing stuff came through. Okay, so let's start with what I ordered and then I'll show you what I got for free because there's a ton of stuff that came for free this month. So this is the deal. When you are just a member, you receive 24% off everything that you order. So right off the top of wholesale or of retail, you get the wholesale price, which is 24% off. If you're also part of the Subscribe to Save, which is doing a monthly order, then you also earn what's called loyalty rewards. And those points go towards future product for free. So it's like frequent flyer miles for oils. And then also, if you're part of that, you also get free products, which it's called gift with purchase. So every month they have different items that are free at different price points. So you always get free shipping at 100, and it's 100 PV, which is roughly dollars. Almost all the products are equal PV to dollar, but not on everything. And so 100 is always free shipping. And then the next tier is 190, 250, 300, and that's what this month was. But sometimes they go up to 500, just depending on the months. Okay, so the things that I ordered that I was really excited about to try is first is Sulfurzyme. I've heard tons of people talk about this. Great for joint pain, for skin and hair and nails, post-workout. I'll read what it says here. Sulfurzyme combines MSM, an organic form of dietary sulfur, with pure wolfberry powder, which is what Ningxia Red is, the drink that I have every day. It's an antioxidant drink. So with pure wolfberry powder for a supplement that supports recovery time and acute inflammation associated with exercise and overall joint health. So great for inflammation, great for arthritis, which I do not have yet, fortunately, but if you have any joint pain or anything like that. So this is one of the things I ordered, and then I ordered Valor. I cannot get enough of this. It came in the premium starter kit, the very first thing that I bought. And when I very first smelled it, I was like, I'm not sure. And I also think that I was comparing it to, I think I heard it compared to doTERRA's Balance, and I was like, oh, it's so different. I like this way better, but it took me a while, I think, because I was comparing the two. It's so yummy, but anyways, there's that. It's super yummy. So I ran out of it already, so I had to order it. And then this is one that I was really hesitating. I was hanging out with this because it's $100 for this tiny little 5 ml bottle, but it's Sacred Sandalwood, and I wanted it for, I'm making chakra roller balls that will be for sale, and I'm working on that, and I really wanted Sacred Sandalwood in one of them, and I was like, ooh, I was hesitating, and I was trying to figure out how can I do it without such an expensive oil, and I couldn't, so I just had to go with it. But this is how much it is, you know, at doTERRA too, or anywhere else. It's delicious, and I'm super glad that I just went ahead and did it. So there are 2 sandalwoods in Young Living. Sacred Sandalwood, which is this is kind of like the original sandalwood, and then there's Hawaiian sandalwood, and I've only smelled the hydrosol that is like the moisturizing face spray, and you can use it as like you know, for linen or whatever. It's just kind of an overall yummy spritz to spray. And I've smelled that, and it's good too, but it wasn't exactly what I wanted for the roller balls. And so anyway, it's delicious, but I didn't feel like it was the right thing. It kind of smells almost like, I mean, just picture Hawaii. It smells like a little bit like a suntan kind of smell to it. So anyways, I went with this, and then let's see what else. Was it only those 3 things that I ordered? And then did I get, I can't remember. There's so much that came for free this month. Yeah, I think that's all free. I'll go over it in just a second, but let me find if there's anything else that I actually paid for. Oh yes, this one, frankincense, because I was out. I mean, you always have to have frankincense. This is like, I describe frankincense as what I've seen in intuitive healing sessions. Frankincense, myrrh, and rose. Frankincense is the energy of the divine masculine. Myrrh is the energy of the divine feminine, and rose is like Mother Mary presiding over all of it. It's like divine unconditional love that sits on the top for both, making the Trinity. So frankincense is like, I describe it as the container that holds all things. So if you're doing, I mean, who isn't doing emotional work right now? I'm just saying. It is kind of the container that holds all other things. So it's a great one to mix with something else. I've been diffusing a lot of this with bergamot. Bergamot is technically a citrus, but it has like a little bit more woodsy smell. And bergamot is the energy of like calling all the scattered parts of yourself home. And so I've been diffusing those 2 together. So look at all that I got for free this month. So this Vitality Drops plus electrolyte. So this is like electrolyte drops that you can put in your water. I haven't tasted this yet, so that's one thing for free. Then I got orange. So all the things this month were this Vitality. The only difference between regular orange that comes in a larger bottle and the orange Vitality, the white label that says Vitality just means that it is approved and okay for internal use. But even if you're using the larger orange, you can still use it internally. It's the exact same oil, but this is just done for FDA regulations, and so to make it easy to know that this is one that you can take internally. So orange is a great one. Any citrus to drop, a drop or 2. If you're going to do 2 drops, I would do like a big 32 ounce mason jar. So any citrus really is good for that. So orange, lemon, longevity. This is a new one for me. I don't know this one. And Endoflex. This is one that I was already going to order, and I didn't bring my little roller lids here. I was going to do that to show you how to do it, but I did it in the last unboxing. I think I showed how to take the cap off. I'll just do it right here so you can see. So you take the lid, you unscrew it, and then just barely put it on and pull and pop it, and it will take this lid off, and then you can replace the lid. So I'm going to replace it with a roller ball so that I can use this directly on. Oh, it smells nice. Interesting. Almost has like a little bit of a mint in there. I wonder if there's peppermint in it. But this is great for the endocrine system. So I have been using Progessence, which is also amazing, bioidentical progesterone from wild yams. And the bottle says to apply that in a different place each time. So hands, belly, inner thighs, you can do it here, but just each day you want to rotate so that your body is taking it up new. And then Endoflex, you can roll on your lower back and over your thyroid, like over your throat. So I'm going to be trying that. Copaiba, this is a great one. This actually just ended up in one of my roller balls too. Copaiba is the energy of unveiling. So it's about peering through and seeing past the curtain or through the veil into truth. It has a little bit of a, I don't know, it's almost like no smell, but also kind of like dirt, honestly. And you can take this internally too. Obviously, it's in the Vitality. This is a great kind of CBD alternative if you're not doing CBD, but it has a calming presence on the nervous system. And then the other one that I got for free is Digize. This is great for tummy ache, any kind of, like acid reflux, like your whole digestive system isn't working well. So let's just take this in. 2, 4, 6, 7 products for free, and I ordered 4 products. So it's a pretty friggin' good system. And then out of this, I earned 25 bonus points also, or loyalty rewards points. So that's 25 points to buy towards something else. And so anything that is 25 PV or roughly $25, I can get for free. Well, I've been doing this for several months now, so I have over 100 points. So what you can do is just tally your list of things that you want to order. And then once you reach the points for whatever it is that you want to order, then you do that. One of my friends said that one of her kind of tactics to use the points is to store them up and use the points for the more expensive things that you're like, oh, I want to get sandalwood, or I want to get rose as like $160. It's one of the most expensive oils. And I just checked on jasmine. I think it was only like $68, and it's usually one of the more expensive oils. Jasmine is great for, it's the oil of sexual purity. So it is the oil for sexual trauma, feelings of like you feel dirty, you feel yucky, physically, and then it also helps to balance libido. So too high libido, too low libido nowhere to be found, like use jasmine. It will take effect quickly, in my experience. So there you go. That's a pretty simple one. Was there anything else? I feel like there was more. Maybe I really, I pilfered the box early because I wanted to get on my rollerballs. So I think I brought everything back down. But there you go. I hope you're doing well. Again, Full Moon Ceremony is the link for the recording. It's only $11, is in my bio. And I'll send you the link. And there you go. It was a beautiful, beautiful ceremony today. All right. Much love. Namaste.